The index of the radical is the denominator of the exponent. In the first example, when we have the fourth root of x cubed, the index becomes the denominator, keeping the 2 as the exponent, and x of 4 becomes the denominator of the fraction. So we get x 2 over 4.
Example number 2. When your equation is in fraction form with a 1 on top, you have to remember that your answer automatically becomes a negative, leaving us with x equals negative 4 over 5.
When we see a negative exponent such as x to the negative 3/4, we remember that negative exponents create fractions. 1 over and then x is under a radical. The denominator is the index, the 5 all raised to the 4th power, so we get 1 over 4 square root of x to the 3rd power.
Here is another example of us converting rational form to radical form.
In our first exponential rule, we have a squared times a to the 3rd. If our bases stay the same, all we have to do is add the exponents, giving us a to the 5th. If we are dividing and have the same base, then we subtract the exponents. So if we have a to the 4th over a squared, it would equal a squared. Anything to the power of 0 stays as 1.
In our fourth exponential rule, you turn it into a fraction by putting a 1 over it, which makes the 2 become a positive, equaling 1 over a to the 2nd power. A common mistake that we made was multiplying the exponents. If the bases are the same, you just add them together. So instead of getting a to the 6th power, you get a to the 5th.
Oh, that shit. Oh, that's moving.